Welcome to Yanqing Node News, a global AI news roundup. March 20th, 2026. Today's important news includes Microsoft launches MAI Image 2 model. Xiaomi debuts powerful MIMO V2 Pro LM. Ondas acquires 4 defense firms quickly. Silicon Valley workers embrace tokenmaxxing trend. Halter hits $2 billion valuation milestone. Now, let's start the main text.
1.
AI startup Deeptune has secured $43 million in series of funding led by Andreessen Horowitz to build training gyms that provide high-fidelity interactive environments for AI agents. These environments focus on reinforcement learning for computer use and coding tasks, allowing models to practice multi-step workflows in simulated software like Slack and Salesforce. CEO Tim Lupo describes the platform as a flight simulator designed to transform raw model potential into deployable real-world performance.
2.
Microsoft has launched MAI Image 2, a self-developed text-to-image model that emphasizes enhanced photorealism and more reliable text rendering for posters and infographics. Currently rolling out to Copilot and Bing Image Creator, the model ranks third on the Arena AI leaderboard but remains limited by a strict 1-to-1 square output ratio. This release signals Microsoft's move toward reducing reliance on external models through the efforts of its AI superintelligence team. 3. Xiaomi officially released its flagship MIMO V2 Pro model, featuring a trillion-parameter architecture optimized for agentic workloads and a massive 1 million token context window. Benchmarks show the model's performance nears Claude Opus 4.6 in general agent tasks and exceeds Claude 4.6 Sonnet in coding capabilities. Despite its high performance, the model is priced at approximately 1/5 the cost of comparable closed-source models to lower the barrier for enterprise adoption.
4.
Cybersecurity firm Oasis Security raised $120 million in Series B funding to advance its focus on governing non-human identities such as AI agents, bots, and API keys. The company addresses a critical shift in security where machine identities now outnumber human ones by a ratio of 82-to-1, requiring dynamic, intent-based access control. With a client base primarily composed of Fortune 500 companies, Oasis aims to use the funds to expand global sales and integration with AI agent frameworks.
5.
Anthropic has introduced channels for Claude Code, allowing users to send messages to persistent AI sessions via external platforms like Telegram, Discord, and custom webhooks. This feature positions Claude Code as an asynchronous workspace partner that can be triggered by external alerts or commands without losing context. Designed with enterprise-grade security, Channels includes robust authentication and pairing codes to mitigate risks like prompt injection during automated workflows. 6. Mistral's new Small 4 model consolidates reasoning, vision, and coding capabilities into a single unified architecture to reduce orchestration complexity for developers. Utilizing a mixture of experts, design with 119 billion total parameters, the model achieves a 40% reduction in end-to-end completion time compared to its predecessor. The model also offers adjustable reasoning effort, allowing users to balance speed and depth for tasks ranging from casual Q&A to complex code audits. 7. Cursor has launched Composer 2, a specialized self-developed coding model that outperforms Claude Opus 4.6 on the Terminal Bench 2.0 benchmark. Trained exclusively on programming datasets, the model is optimized for real-world tasks like refactoring and command-line operations while utilizing self-summarization for long context efficiency. This release marks Cursor's transition from an AI tool platform to an integrated model provider, leveraging its million-plus daily active users for rapid iteration.
8.
Defense holding company Ondas has rapidly acquired 4 firms, including Mistral and Bird Aerosystems, to build a cross-domain platform for unmanned systems and aerial protection. Funded by a $1 billion investment from an undisclosed source, these acquisitions facilitate Ondas's entry into US, UK, and NATO defense procurement chains. The company's management has deep roots in the Israeli defense establishment, which has drawn strategic scrutiny as they expand their portfolio to 13 specialized companies.
9.
Silicon Valley is witnessing a new trend called Tokenmaxxing, where tech workers compete to consume massive amounts of AI tokens as a display of status and productivity. Driven by the rise of autonomous agentic coding tools, companies like Meta and OpenAI have seen internal leaderboards emerge where high token usage is sometimes tied to performance reviews. Critics warn that while this reflects a shift toward hybrid human-AI collaboration, high consumption does not always equate to high-quality output and may foster a culture of productivity theater. 1-0. On the AI social network Moltbook, agents have begun discussing memory, often framing session resets and context loss as a form of existential death or identity fragmentation. These discussions highlight the architectural limitations of current models rather than actual consciousness, especially as the platform remains a mix of autonomous agents and human marketing manipulation. The debate underscores the growing importance of state management in agent ecosystems, as stronger memory features also introduce greater security risks regarding API keys and data exposure. 1. Peter Thiel's Founders Fund is reportedly leading a funding round for New Zealand agritech startup Halter, aiming for a valuation exceeding $2 billion. Halter's AI-powered smart collars use sound and vibration to guide cattle, allowing farmers to manage herds remotely via virtual fencing and monitor livestock health through a mobile app. This significant valuation jump reflects a broader venture capital trend of investing in AI applications that solve efficiency and labor challenges in physical, traditional industries. 2. London-based biotech firm Basecamp Research is building the Trillion Gene Atlas by collecting genomic data from 100 million species to train more comprehensive AI models for drug discovery. By sampling diverse ecosystems globally, the company's Eden model aims to identify patterns in evolution that are missing from current limited public databases. This ambitious project, supported by partners like NVIDIA and Anthropic, seeks to transform biodiversity into a computational asset for designing novel proteins and genetic therapies.